Snowstorm Dorima. Si Kuya na-stuck sa snow in the middle of the street. Kailangan niyang bababa sa sasakyan para linisin ang street or else he's gonna stuck in the snow. Welcome back everyone. Today is January 17, 2022. Today is the first winter snowstorm and some area get 40 centimeters of snow and some area are 60 centimeters of snow and
oh, lovely. There's a moon over there. Wow. It's nice there, see? No.
here is a mountain of snow. So we're heading to the mall, Bramalia City Center.
Got my bag. Oh no, where is the thing?
We're walking to the mall.
It's up there.
Iniiwan na ako ng kasama ko. Yan, tumatakbo na. This walkway is not shoveled yet, so it's hard to walk on the snow.
Well, the shovel is here. It's hard to walk on the snow. Bramalia City Center. Oh, this is a parking lot. See? Oh man, another. They make a round in there. Which one? Walk here. I see this guy epic.
Oh shit.
There's a truck here. Oh man. Can't even park here, look. Fine with the snow. You can see the car. Close. Close already.
We're here at Bramalia City Center. The mall is open, but some stores are closed due to bad weather.
Hello. Hardy Works is closed.
Due to bad weather.
We are closed due to bad weather.
Fire.
Once never. After the storm. Oh my god. Ipot o That's how they left. No flow over there.
Full moon today, and they said the January full moon is called the wolf moon because villagers used to hear hungry packs of wolves howling at this time of year.
Up there. It's far away now. Walking fast.